and we're gonna dig for some clams. If you want to go digging for clams, the things you need are a digging shovel and a net and some pairs of gloves and long boots. There's a tiny beach near our house where the locals go clam digging in spring and autumn seasons. Today I'll share the fun beach experience with you. First, we need to find a place where we'll start digging. Most places have already been dug up by other people, so we are trying to find a fresh area to dig. Here's a good spot. I'll sit here and dig, and dig. This shovel is made exclusively for digging clams. You shave the sand like slicing it thinly, sideways. Then you'll feel it when the shovel touches a hard shell. Shallow water is full of life. Tiny fish, hermit crabs, shrimp, and birds like herons and ospreys. This Garby was sleeping in a mud. He is very lucky I didn't slice him with the shovel. Go on, little fishy. Live a happy life ever after.
取れた？
これしか取らんかった。
取れとる？あ、おるじゃん。
これどう？
うん、いいんじゃない？泥団子じゃない？入っとる中身。
多分入ってる。My mom is asking me to make sure it's not the mud bomb. It means a clam that's tightly shut and makes you think it's live, but inside is actually full of mud. It's a true disaster when it opens in your soup bowl.
水遊び
水遊びだね、もう。
手袋に水入れてからさ、いろんな
ダメに決まっとるでしょ。
I'm being told I couldn't get water in my gloves and wellies, but it was too late. See, this entire area is dug up by people. I couldn't film them, but there were lots of families out here all digging clams today. It wasn't a very good day for the clams, but I sure had a good time. When we got home, we had to prepare the clams before you could use them for cooking. First, you scrub the shells very well in the water and get all the dirt off. Then you put them in salted water overnight. This is an important process to remove sand from the clams. They look happy. Perhaps they think that they got away and think they can relax at home back on the beach. I felt a little bad for them. Good morning, little clams. Time to wake up. When the cover is removed, you can see the clams have stretched their eyes and legs and whatever out of their shells. This bowl is almost empty. They've been busy pumping out all the water out of the bowl. Sadly, they're ready to be eaten now. Goodbye, clams. See you later. In my soup. Please subscribe if you enjoyed the clam digging experience.